What's the meaning of ashram? Ashram. Ashram.
Ashram. Ashram. An ashram is a spiritual hermitage or a monastery in Hinduism. It is a secluded place where people live a simple and austere life in accordance with the principles of their faith. In an ashram, individuals practice meditation, prayer, and other forms of worship to achieve spiritual enlightenment. They may also engage in communal activities such as studying sacred texts, performing community service, and participating in religious festivals. Overall, an ashram serves as a sanctuary for those seeking to deepen their connection with the divine and lead a more meaningful life.